Have you encountered anyone who verbally abuses you, who treats you like a puppet and manipulates you, who is a consistent liar, who has a negative aura around them, who always lowers your energy, downplays your dreams, and always is interested in gossiping? Hello, you're welcome to yet another video from Mind Body Souls. My name is Diptii Lawreince and I am the owner-founder of Mind Body Souls. We love the law of attraction, self-help, self-care, manifestation. Today's topic is all about self-care. Mental health is the first step towards self-care. In today's video, let's check out how to deal with toxic people and to set boundaries. Toxic people can be anywhere, in the office, in the neighborhood, in friend circle, or in our family. They suffer from superiority complex and think that they're just perfect. They can also verbally abuse you, which can get really harsh. Also, they're very shrewd and cunning, and they're never an authentic person or a genuine person. So how do you deal with such toxicity and such toxic people? Simple. You need to set your personal boundary. Setting boundary can be done in 3 easy steps. First one, be clear on how you want to be treated. Second, communicate it to the other person. Third, be ready to take action if that kind of treatment is not meted out. Also, do not get involved in drama with them. Do not fall for their manipulative ways or sweet talk or guilt trips. Just stay away from it. Also, understand that if you have had an experience of such a toxic person, you might want to work on your self-esteem issues, or you might want to heal your childhood traumas if you have ever gone through them. Because it is only in loving and accepting ourselves just the way we are that we find peace in our heart. I hope this video helped you, and if so, please go ahead and share it. Others might benefit from it too. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.